Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 54. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Little Queen, right now. Already awake, the Emperor was still sleeping. The sun is shining brightly, and now she need to wake up to fix things. Right now, it seems that she was lazy, moved out of bed. Turns out that doing it is much more tiring than not doing it. Now, looking at her, it seems that she was really hesitating on what is the thing they're doing. At the end of the day, my hands were shaking a little and bed was so wet that I couldn't sleep on. Well, the little queen right now, she was too noisy, that's why Emperor already wake up. She was calling her, you were? Well, it seems that, or Emperor, she was not in a good state. Why did you wake up so early? Emperor said to the little queen. Her face is still so red. Well, of course, right now, she really can't believe it. What she done on the other day. Yan Yan, can I do your makeup for once? Now, she was really curious how Yan Yan will look, especially when she applied the makeup to her. Right now, she's been so curious. Although you changed into daughter's clothes yesterday, seems so unfamiliar with the art of painting eyebrows. So, this is it. Turns out she want her to be her model. But right now, Nyan Nyan understand it and said, okay. She get her hands and kiss it. Well, finally agreeing. And what will the little queen requested to her? Especially, day seems to be good. It was sunny and early in the morning. Two of them were having fun. Especially the little queen. She want to put a makeup on Nyan Nyan. But Nyan Nyan right now, she was only quiet and obeying the little queen's order. Well, the little queen is busy drawing eyebrows on Emperor. Well, the little queen said, okay. After a long work on Nyan Nyan, finally, little queen has already finished applying makeup to her. Well, let's see then. What will Nyan Nyan's look like? Turns out she was really beautiful. Blue eyes, curves, eyebrows, bright eyes, and white teeth are indeed very beautiful. Little Queen is praising the Emperor right now. Of course, Xin Yan seems to be puzzled. Also, she seems to be liking the way she look right now. Said to herself, well, she really did agree. Little Queen's request always feels that the color of my lipsticks are lighter. It was not what Little Queen said to her, but, well, since she was really hesitating, suddenly, to pass by everyone's curiosity, the little queen right now moved closer to Shanyan. Now she kissed her. It makes sense, the little queen is out of breath. After a long stolen kiss, now she finally out of breath. Looking at the little queen, it seems that she was really puzzled, but of course, she can blame herself. Now, the emperor said to her, it is good now. It turns out the emperor only wants to tease her. That's why right now she is laughing hard. Also, for the little queen, was confused and had to put makeup again. Since it's time to put on makeup again, I'll kiss you again, little queen said to Sinian. He became straightforward. Little queen, okay, if we can continue to make trouble, it will get dark. We haven't eaten since yesterday. Well, let's go to Mingwei's place. We'll have a look later. We don't know how Elan's injury it is. Right now, Her Majesty said, okay, let's eat first. Oh, right now, seems that they're having a date in the palace. Xinyan, she was really happy. Especially, they were eating together. Right now, Xinyan seems to be happy together with the little queen right now. They are serving many foods. Getting full sooner. It was getting late at night. Two of them still talking. Well, a lot of things happened in the past. Thankfully, two of them finally rekindled. Little Queen right now, she seems to be happy, holding the Emperor and said, Mingwei, you take good care of Elan. Well, it was right then. The Little Queen right now want to go to Princess Mingwei to check if Elan was already okay right now. Elan, she kept herself silent, and she was holding a book. Probably she was only reading it. The Little Queen right now seems to be feel awkward. Well, looking at her, of course, there's something happened. Of course, the two of them are not level to each other. Right now, Princess Mingwei seems to be confused. Also, for Elan, two of them are still quiet. No one is speaking and it makes sense. Right now, the Emperor and the Little Queen seems that really fuzzled and said to themselves, what's going on here? Why do you feel so weird about both of them? Especially the Little Queen and the Emperor. His Majesty, Empress, Yan Yan was looking at Princess Ningwei. Seems that she was really avoiding her. It's late at night and I'm exposed, Your Majesty. I'm thinking of you and your Empress. All is well with Elan. Now, Princess Mingwei was trying to calm herself, especially during this time. To her surprise right now, Vought got in the act, but still, he really won't admit it. That's why Nyan Nyan, maybe she's having fun of the two of them, especially for Elan. She is her best friend. Princess is careful and considerate and takes good care of me. Elan said to them. Princess Mingwei right now seems to be calm. She remember what happened. Now, they're being shy to each other. Well, it was really a tough moves. Right now, she should need to bury itself. That time, Princess Mingwei, she seems to be puzzled seeing those. Right now, phew. Still, Princess Mingwei was looking at her. But, I think of when I was a child, accidentally fell down, and my knee bleeds. This is how Yanmo, you, coaxed me up. Right now, it seems to be not good. Princess Mingwei is having a relationship with Elan, and now she really wants to hide it. Well, let's see then. What will happen next? Since Princess Mingwei is not ready to open up about her and General Tantay. So, Nyan Nyan said, so, this is... Well, she was right. Maybe the two of them are finally been together. But Princess Mingwei, you can wash it yourself. I'll first. Well, right now, Princess Mingwei, she got really shy on Elan. But it seems that they not feel comfortable and ease at each other. What will happen next? Seems the two of them are getting exposed. Well, let's hope everything will be fine to the two of them. Mingwei with Elan and the Emperor with the Little Queen right now. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!